Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Izuan. How are you? Good? Alhamdulillah. So, do you know what is a lunchbox? A lunchbox is a container that you use to carry your meal or your lunch to school. I have my own lunchbox too. Do you want to see my lunchbox? Actually, I have two lunch boxes today. So this is my first lunch box and this is my second lunch box. Do you want to see what's inside my lunch boxes? Okay, in my first lunch box today, I have got an eggplant. And in my second lunch box today, I have got a pineapple. What a strange lunchbox. Do you want to see what other food that I have for my lunch? Let's go. Now, let's see what I have in my lunchbox. If I have something, I will say I have got. I have got. For example, I have got a banana. I have got a banana. If I don't have it, I will say I haven't got a banana. I haven't got a banana. Now, I have got a sausage. I have got a sausage. I haven't got a sausage. I haven't got a sausage. Let's see what I have here. I have got a pizza. I have got a pizza. I haven't got a pizza. I haven't got a pizza. I have got an eggplant. I have got an eggplant. I haven't got an eggplant. I haven't got an eggplant. I want to have some fish. No, we are not going to eat this fish. I have got a fish. I have got a fish. I haven't got a fish. I haven't got a fish. So when you have something, you say, I have got. When you don't have it, you say, I haven't got. Easy, right? Let us look at some more example of sentences. First, we look at the food that we have. A sausage, a banana, an apple, a slice of pizza, and carrots. Let's look at the first one. I have got a sausage, a banana, carrots, and pizza. I haven't got an apple. The second one. I have got a banana, an apple, carrots, and a sausage. I haven't got pizza. Next one. I have got a banana, an apple, and pizza. I haven't got a sausage and carrots. With this video, link in the description below, I have attached a PDF for you to do an exercise. For the first exercise, I need you to listen to these clips. I will show you the picture and I will play the clips. I need you to write down A to F on each of these rats. Listen and write down A to F to each of these rats based on the following dialogues. Ready?
Listen and write the letters A to F on the rats.
Rat A.
I've got a banana and a carrot. I haven't got an apple.
Rat B.
I've got a banana and an apple. I haven't got a carrot.
Rat C.
I've got an apple and a carrot. I haven't got a banana.
Rat D.
I've got 2 bananas. I haven't got a carrot and I haven't got an apple.
Rat E.
I've got 2 apples. I haven't got a carrot and I haven't got a banana.
Rat F.
I've got 2 carrots. I haven't got a banana and I haven't got an apple.
Did you get all the answers? Here are the answers and check to see if you get all correct. Did you get everything correct? That is not so hard, isn't it? Now you can complete the second part of the exercise after you finish this video. So remember what we have learned today. I have got and I haven't got. Stay safe, take care, see you next time. Assalamualaikum.